Hi guys, an update on my Apple powered witch. It's probably about 18 hours since I put the battery together and she's slowed right down. She was absolutely fine for the first, 6 or 8 hours before I went to bed. But she has slowed right down this morning. She's actually going a bit faster now than she was earlier because what I did was I went along and squeezed all the electrodes together to get the juices flowing in the apple. I did just check the electrodes themselves and they don't look corroded in any way. I suppose they're a slightly darker colour. But they haven't been eaten away like the other batteries that I've worked with. So I should imagine what's actually happened is the electrolyte has been depleted right next to the electrodes, so we haven't got a good flow across anymore. I mean, she's not doing bad, but she's certainly not rocking continuously. They're all in parallel. So you've got parallel strip there, linked in parallel to that strip, linked in parallel to that strip. I expect I could put them in series, give her more voltage, but she'd get less current. All right, now they're in series. So we've got positive to negative. That negative's connected to that positive, and that negative's connected to that positive. So, and then the negative goes to the rocker. So she's getting more voltage but less current. That's picked her up, hasn't it? Because last night I was able to run her just off one strip on its own. Well, that boost of extra voltage has probably filled up her capacitor. But she's now running just on the one strip. Yeah, and now she's running on the middle strip. Interesting. Try and work that one out then. So that's just that strip on its own that she's running on. And then just before that, I ran her on just that strip. And before that, just that strip. And before that, I put them all in series. And that got her going. I wonder if all in series has actually pushed some charge through where there may have been something a little bit low. Well, whatever it's done, she's back up and running on just one strip. I've just come back and checked, and she lasted for about an hour this time on that one. That's doubled it up again. So it looks like the apples give the voltage, but don't last for very long. Of course, to be fair, these potatoes are quite a bit bigger than those little cubes of apple that I've been using. These have been going for weeks now. And that banana-powered clock's been going for, yeah, probably about a week as well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.